Do you want to generate results like these? But how do you write long, descriptive, and precise prompts? Those days have just passed. Leonardo AI has introduced its groundbreaking Realtime Canvas feature, a game-changing artificial intelligence feature in many aspects. It's a unique space with a split window interface where your drawings on one side magically transform into AI-generated art on the other. And guess what? Also available at the App Store is a game-changer solution for artists who prefer to work on an iPad and Apple Pencil. Wonder how? Let me explain. To access this feature, hop over to this Realtime Canvas tab or access it through the Realtime Canvas featured option. Currently, it is available in a beta version and it might face some challenges. You will land on this black split window canvas. Let's do some overview of each element it is offering before direct jump into the creation process. Draw your imagination with the brush tool, and the result can be viewed to the output window. Besides the brush tool, this toolbar is equipped with various tools, like an eraser, to erase any mistakes you make. Moreover, the selection tool for selecting elements and image import features allows you to import images by uploading or from a community feed. You can also adjust the brush size and have undo and delete options. Keep watching as I will reveal a secret where you can enhance your results from this ordinary image to this creative beast. Following, you have a prompt bar to write down the supportive context for your drawing. Here are some advanced settings. Creativity strength allows AI to generate quality results nearer to your prompt. A wide range of styles allows you to choose your generation in a particular type, and you can see how each style influences the generation in a particular way. You can switch between these modes, where one will give results instantly, and others show the results after completing your action. On the top, you can refine your generations with Alchemy Refiner. That converts your art far better. Let's do some live action. I aim to draw an ice cream illustration with a Christmas theme. Still, you can see how this intelligent tool continuously revisits each drawing move and reconfigures output results. I like this illustration of a girl, but let's input some context related to our art concept, so AI can evaluate and produce results in that way. This marvelous beast analyzes the drawing on canvas and revisits its result with each word I am including in the prompt. Now, I am almost done with my generation. Only the background needs to be enhanced and aligned with the Christmas theme. Choose a background color with some minor adjustments. Let's draw a Christmas tree behind, along with adding more context. Changing styles even enhances your overall concept to the next level. Eventually, I created an art, precisely according to my concept. Always use the Alchemy Refiner option at the very end of your generation to boost your quality, just like I did with multiple style options. Sometimes you will get some bad results as this tool is still in beta version, and as Leonardo's team said, it will be improved more in the coming times. Next, you will learn to make accurate and precise results with a real-time canvas. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you have good knowledge about prompt engineering, this tool is a blessing for you. You do not need to wait for your image to be created. Adding each word slightly readjusts its whole concept at runtime. As I type about towns and flowers, it continuously adds them to my art. Another thing is that your canvas background color influenced your image generation color tone by moving towards the tints, drastically changing into a bright tone. By adding more context to AI, it regenerates all of its concepts and turns art into a new perspective in the blink. You can determine the optimal result by clicking output to the input toggle and keeping it as your input image. Now, each change in the prompt will reflect the same idea, but the theme or depth of the image will remain consistent. While working with the real-time canvas, I noticed that there should be an option to fine-tune models that bring more clarity and depth to the final results. I tried to make a gaming character in cyberpunk warrior style, but with the most detailed prompt, unable to generate the desired results. However, I have changed the theme styles as well. On the other hand, pasted the same prompt to image generation with the albedo-based tune model, and the results are unmatched by all means. Trust me, if this update is inducted into this real-time canvas, it will change the game altogether.